Good evening and namaste all of you. Myself Chitrarekha Ravindranath Jadhav, primary teacher. Classroom based research project for EMAR 2021 presented by Mrs. Chitrarekha Ravindranath Jadhav. My research question was, how can student write in English and actively participate in writing skill activities? How student can improve their English writing skill as well as improve their vocabulary? What are the problems faced by students while writing on simple topics in English? What is the reason of doing mistakes in writing in English language? How will I help them for better performance and how will I guide them? While facing this problem, I want to conduct something different activities, and so that I conduct this action research. The objectives of my research are: students will write confidently and fluently in English on simple topics. This will definitely create confidence in writing and enrich their vocabulary of my student. Make up mindset for NEP 2020. Students will make good use of mobile for learning. Student will utilize their time for better experiences and learning. So, student will inspire themselves and learn with fun and enjoyment. For this, I prepare a short plan and try to work on it. I first collect the data and prepare a short work plan. For data collection, I use this tool: random survey method, experimental method, implementation of solution, quantitative data, mind map, concept map, charts, PDFs and slides. For this collection of data and results, I use responses, discussions, WhatsApp call, phone call, online Zoom meetings, Google meetings, as well as home visits for offline guidance and help of study guard and parents for this research. Qualitative data, questionnaires, reflection worksheet of responses and daily observation diary for online and offline work. My colleagues and my parents help me in this project. After this working on this project, I prepare some worksheets, mind maps, even told them how to create mind maps on different topics. These mind maps, small words chart, help student to think more and more in English. They write little words and short note of a mind map of given subject, and after that they try to prepare a short note or simple short essay on given topic. Sometimes I prepare audio clips and PDF for them, share charts and slides. Afterwards, students try to prepare themselves a simple concept map. While using these charts and diagrams help them. I arrange Zoom and Google Meet. So I create so many mind maps and provide them. After providing guidance, they try to prepare their own mind maps, and with the help of that mind map, they write their own short note essays and they improve their vocabulary. In this method, they use we use pair work, peer work, and prepare short notes and easy essays. Mother Earth, our environment, my hobbies. They create simple moral stories. Print PDF distribution and offline work also help them for motivation and evaluation. After this action research, the findings are like that: it create interest in English subject. Students are enjoying to take part in these activities. They try to write and read carefully. Even they practice regularly, correct them and try to improve them. It helps them to increase their confidence with mind map technique, concept map technique, read with the help of that map. After some, I use some online apps read to me for their implement and progress. Other writing skill development activities on online and offline platform also help the student for this project. The reflection to improve their vocabulary and writing skill, easy, simple, day-to-day slide and mind map help the students. We want to use this properly. This improve their confidence of English writing skill. Students take active part in these activities as well as they enjoy both on both platforms on online and offline platform. Even the parents also enjoy this activity, take part and help the student. It create healthy environment and bonding between student and teacher as well as parents, improve their grades in formative evaluation and summative evaluation. Need more practice and more help for each and every community for this project. Thank you very much.